guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done a Goodwill video, but that's where we went today. I wanted to film, but I couldn't. I know, go ahead and boo me. Chasing the three kids around Goodwill today, it was not fun. My wife's still getting over the whole COVID thing, so she was still in and out of it while we were there. We found some good stuff, as you can see behind me. I also made a trip to the Amazon bin store Friday on my way home from work. Found a bunch of stuff, but we ended up keeping majority of it because it was stuff that we were actually going to use. So I'm going to show you what we found and give you some kind of sold comps. I'm just going to let you know the sold comps because we've looked stuff up, but let's get to it because I don't want to keep you hanging any longer. Go ahead and disregard the mess behind me. Since we've gotten sick, it's just been crazy. And trying to keep up down here has just been tough. I've been working down here every day for work, so it's just been, I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Hopefully in the next video that you guys see from down here, it's clean. But we'll get started with the first thing I found at the bins. And I'll tell you some of the other stuff I got at the bins too that we're gonna keep for personal use. We found this LA Kings lunchbox. It's a soft lunchbox, kind of nice. Picked it up for $1. I know there's Kings fans out there, so if there's any Kings fans watching this, reach out if you need it before it makes it to eBay. We also found some Camelback water bottles. Found 3 of them. The kids are actually going to keep them, use them for school. We also found the best grandpa hat, which we're going to give to a grandpa. And we also found some little stakes to put in the ground for your garden, so you can label what's in that row or whatnot. So we picked those up that we're going to use for all that. So that's what we kept. So we went to Goodwill. We went to 2 different Goodwills today. Probably not the same day you're viewing this, but 2 Goodwills. We haven't been to these Goodwills in a super long time. The only reason we went to Goodwill today was there was no yard sales around us. There's really no estate sales around us, and the weather was garbage. So we decided to go indoors. We had to be up in our area anyway for something else today. So we decided, let's go by Goodwill. There's 2 of them really close to each other. The one I'm starting to not to like as much, but we still found something there. We found these Thai Beanie Babies. They're minions though. Like a beach minion right here. And we found this like hula minion, I guess they'd call it. I mean, I don't know if the names are in here. This one's Dave. And this one doesn't have the tag on it. So they're still kind of cool though. Oh, it's Jerry and Dave. So pretty cool. I picked them up. I think they gave them to me for $2 each. I couldn't leave them there. I couldn't leave these little guys sitting there. I mean, they're kind of cool. At that same Goodwill, my daughter found this one. I think I paid more than I wanted to. We paid $15 for this, but it's this Botley 2.0 the Coding Robots, a 78-piece activity set, brand new in the box. And I'm thinking, with Christmas coming up, this might be pretty good. So I was happy with this. Sold comps are anywhere from $40 to $80. So we should at least double our money on this one. So hopefully this will get listed in the next couple of days and it should be out of here. But that's what's all in the package. Seems pretty cool. It's screen free, ages 5 up. Pretty good deal. That's all we found at that Goodwill. That Goodwill has just been super bad, but the next Goodwill was pretty decent. So we'll go to the next Goodwill we hit up. Picked up a pair of jeans. First pair of jeans we picked up in a long time. Levi's 505s, 34 by 30. Got it for $3. Can't pass it up. The jeans are super picked over. It's winter time. Jeans are going to start selling for us, but we kind of avoided the jeans during the summer, but we'll get back into those when we find them at a good price. I don't like to pick them up when they're above a certain price just because I usually will sit on them by then. Next, we found this pet groomer clipper kit. This was the Oster version. Box, manual, clippers. Just needs a quick little cleanup because it is a little dusty. Has all the attachments. This one has sold comps around it everywhere. Paid $2.99 for it, so I wasn't going to pass it up. I'm thinking it's probably going to go for between $20 and $40, I think. This will fit in a padded flat rate envelope, so that'll be an easy shipper. It's pretty neat, and honestly, I was thinking if there was somebody who owns a pet who has groomed them for a long time, they might be looking for something like this. So we'll see. Next, my daughter found these. A pair of Skechers You know we don't do shoes often, but these ones are clean. Air-cooled memory foam. But what's neat about these, and I didn't notice it until I just took them out of the bag, have little flowers on them. Super clean. She picked them up. We paid, I hope she didn't pay, I think she paid $6.99 for these. It was $6 for this. So, pretty good deal. She said, my wife looked them up. I think we should get about 20 to 30 bucks for them. These will probably end up on Poshmark. The next thing we took a risk on was this floatable Playmate Tumbler. It's a gator inflatable. It's leisure time living, and enjoy a drink by your side when you enjoy the outdoors with your Playmate. There's a few on eBay. I think there might only be 3, but it's brand new in the box. This is the cup. Actually, a really kind of cool cup. It also has a floatable alligator that you blow up, and you can stick your cup in it, and it'll float right next to you in the pool. I know we're in the winter, but there are some states who have warm winters, so this might come in handy. $2 for this. I wasn't going to leave it there. It's too cool to leave there, but it's a 19-ounce plastic tumbler. Dishwasher safe, break resistant. Pretty neat. I thought it was cool for $2. The next thing we grabbed, funny, play on words here, we picked up a grab bag. But this, I found these are Noma outdoor light bulbs. 9 1/4 C 9 1/4 outdoor bulbs. Now I know it says there's 4 in each pack. I'm gonna open them up right now. But when I looked at them in the store, the one pack looked like it was empty. So I was okay with that, only because, yeah, this one has 3 red and a white. This one has 4 whites. This one has 2 whites right here. And this one has 4 whites. Now when I check these, I'm probably looking at about $20 for these. They're older vintage bulbs, and a lot of people look for these. I think these really go well too, like in the motion Santas or those figurines, the Christmas figures that operate. So these are probably pretty good. I was happy paying $3.99 for these. I think they'll definitely move, especially with the holidays coming up. So those are going to get listed really quickly. Then we picked up the Bible on cassette. It looked cool. I thought, you know what? I opened it up. All the cassettes are in there. This thing, I think I paid $1 for it. It goes for about $19.99 plus shipping on this. Super cool. This is the new Revised Standard Edition New Testament Bible. Sometimes the Bible sells. Do not neglect these when you're in the store. Check them, because sometimes you won't be disappointed. Next, I've never heard of this guy. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. I'm not sure. Anthony Robbins, Living Health. Bunch of discs. There was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 discs, 9 discs, 9 discs. This is the Living Health. I searched this and I was completely shocked. This thing goes for $20 plus. Super easy to ship. It can go media mail. It can actually probably go, actually we're gonna check it right now. I think this can even go first class. Yeah, it's close, 15 ounces. So by the time you put this in an envelope, it's going to be over 16 ounces. But if you see any Anthony Robbins stuff out there, check it, because his stuff does sell. There was something else there from Anthony Robbins that didn't sell. So I'm just not sure if there's certain things by him that does move, but check them, because you honestly might be not, you might be passing up a little gem, especially because a lot of Goodwills sell their CDs and stuff really cheap. So just check it. Last but not least, I know what you're thinking, and you might be able to see it on camera. I can't tell on the little screen in front of me. No, it's not Tupperware. Disney Black Diamond VHS tapes. Picked up 5 of them. Picked up 2 Beauty and the Beasts. We picked up The Rescuers, The Great Mouse Detective, and Bambi. All super clean. The clamshells are actually in amazing shape. I know what you're thinking. Yinzer, why'd you pick up Black Diamonds? You're not going to get rich on these. I can sell the Disney Black Diamonds. I list them, I sell them all the time, and I make more than I have into them. So it's one of those things that where I'll pick them up, especially when the clamshells are this clean. You usually do not see, I mentioned in another previous video, these clamshells get brittle and they break. So you really have to watch out. These ones, I noticed them when they were sitting there. I was like, I mean, there's no dust on them. They're super, super clean. Even the VHS tapes are clean too. You might not be able to sell them. I can. I pick them up when I find them. Great Mouse Detective does have a little break on it and I missed, but that's okay. Everything else looks good in these. They did have the Little Mermaid band cover, but I left it there only because it wasn't in good shape and I wasn't going to mess with it. Now, I've sold those ones in the past, even in bad shape, and still have done well on them, but I left it there today. I wanted to be picky, but as you can see, I wasn't too picky because I did pick up a lot of stuff. Overall, I think we spent a grand total of about 68 bucks, 70 bucks. We should do pretty well. I think we should at least double or triple our money, especially on some of this stuff. This is a big hit or miss because if it doesn't sell, I mean, I'm only in at $2. So we should be okay there. The shoes should just sell on Poshmark. They might be a spring sell. Who knows? We're not 100% sure on those. But everything else, I think we did really well on. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know how you think we did. I always like to see if you would have picked this stuff up, or maybe if you sold something here that I just showed you guys. Let us know if you sold something like this before. And I think that's it for this one. Yeah, we filmed a lot of videos today. I was just telling my wife that I'm filming this one. We're also doing some sports card unboxings now where we open up a box of cards. So we're doing that stuff because, yes, it's not really sourcing, but it is because you're buying something to resell, but it's more of a gamble, but it's also an investment. We used to do sports cards in the past. We got away from it, and I wish we wouldn't have because the prices went up. But we did really well, so check out some of the sports card videos that we'll be posting too. We're going to mix those in with these sourcing videos and the haul videos. I think we did pretty good. So keep your eyes out for those videos. And remember, hit that subscribe button. If it's red, turn it gray. We are only, as of right now, while I'm filming this video, about 144 subscribers away from 1,000. We do have a giveaway coming up when we hit 900. When we hit 900 subscribers, we're going to give away this. We're going to give away Google Home. Brand new in the box. It's been sitting here. I've been waiting to give it away. So I want to give it away to somebody. I want to give it away to a subscriber. But we got to hit 900 first. So get us there. Also tune into our lives. We have a live on Tuesday night, and sometimes we are having lives during the week. Another live. You might see a pop-up live. That's why you hit that bell notification so you're notified when we post a video. So until next time, guys, I don't want to keep you any longer. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.